How to change my username on TikTok. So if you want to change your username on TikTok, then first of all open up your TikTok application, and after opening you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then you can go for edit profile, and here you will have your username, right? Simply tap on that username and remove that, and you can add another username that you would like. And after choosing that username, you can simply tap on save, which is on the upper right, and then tap on set username. So it says that you can change your username once every 30 days. So if you have changed your username within 30 days, then you can't change your username. But if you have not changed your username within that 30 days, then you can tap on set username and your username will be changed on TikTok. So for now, I'll be not changing my username. But if you want to change it, then you can simply tap on set username, and that's it. That's how you change your TikTok username. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.